Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to write Ledger BIR full guide. Gather your company details, Form 2307, receipts, and the chart of accounts before you begin entering ledger lines. Start each entry with the date and a clear reference number so you can trace transactions later. Use consistent account titles and note whether entries affect assets, liabilities, equity, income, or expenses. Reconcile often to avoid end-of-period surprises. Set up a practical chart of accounts before recording entries. It keeps everything tidy and audit-friendly. Number accounts so similar accounts sit together, like 1000s for assets and 2000s for liabilities, which speeds reconciliation. Give each account a simple description and note whether it normally carries a debit or credit balance. Keep the list as concise as possible while covering all necessary BIR reporting categories for your business. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people think about saving and investing, and it pairs nicely with disciplined ledger habits. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Record transactions promptly and accurately, using invoices, receipts, and vouchers as proof. Post each debit and credit to the correct ledger account and include a short narration describing the transaction so anyone can follow the trail. Periodically run a trial balance to confirm that total debits equal total credits and to surface any posting mistakes. Timely checks reduce stress during tax filing and make audits much smoother.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.